Central North Carolina, northeastern Richmond County and central North Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Hoffman, or 11 miles northeast of Rockingham, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Southern Pines, Carthage, Pinehurst, Aberdeen, Whispering Pines, Pine Bluff, Ellerbe, Foxfire, Taylortown, and Norman. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The flood